another day, people. Yesterday, or no, not yesterday. This is after Mother's Day, but the last time I filmed when it was raining out. So now the neighbor was originally they washed the grass off, but some of these green mold, not green mold, but some of these, as you can see, were coming out of the cracks with a very light flush of water, so now normally a lot of people when they do work, most of the people would put a motor down so they don't have to worry about the green moss growing. So as you can see, the neighbor didn't put down like masonry, no, what the heck is calling that stuff?
Mortar.
Yeah, mortar.
I did. See it in there?
Oh,
that white stuff.
Yeah. Oh, I see. So you didn't fill it up to the top.
I did. Deteriorated.
Oh, okay. So it had more than one point in time, but it over time eroded away from you.
Exactly.
Kind of hard to believe you did. Okay, so yeah, you had water, and as you can hear, apparently the motor kind of faded away. Oh yeah, looked like it did crack too. Yeah, the sad thing in our neighborhood is this, and we have gopher like to run around, and when they like to run around, they like to make the ground uneven. And this is what happens. So I'm pretty sure this brick pan, this brick that the neighbor laid out, I'm pretty sure was nice and level until the gopher decided to come by and make it uneven. So yeah, there was there was one stink spot. That must be the gopher. But that's a pretty common issue in our neighborhood, and I don't know if you people who's watching deal with that issue with gopher in your yard or not. So if you want to comment below. But yeah, after all, I don't know how long the neighbor's gonna mess with, so we'll probably go up to Lowe's, and he's gonna look at screens for the back door and the front door. So that's what the neighbor is going to do. So we're going to be back. I don't think I'm not going to film an hour of him, I don't know, getting green moss out of the crack. Anyway. Oh, I did there, people. So we picked up a wooden, I guess, screen. So we picked that up and went down for a little bit to eat. We got Pizza Hut, so yeah, maybe you can see, oh, you probably will see, but you can see that the screen door we picked up, so not the world's greatest quality. The neighbor do have to do some reinforcement, make sure the screen door don't fall apart. So, but what I'm gonna do is record again if we do some interesting. I don't know if we're gonna. I believe the neighbor will paint the screen door before he hang it up, or reinforce it. One or two.
Don't break.
Yeah, you definitely hit bump. We have the core trunk lid resting, so the neighbor gotta be careful of the bump. So, but anyway, I'm gonna finish pieces of a pizza. So, in my hand, it's kind of in an awkward position. So, We'll be back.
No. Is the wood outside? The wood is outside. The wood is outside. Yeah. Frame is outside. Yeah. So, I think we got it right then. We got the inside cut.
Hey, that fit perfect. Yeah, you're probably right. Yeah, the frame it did that fine, but the door is nice and straight.
Yeah. Yeah, I think we got it.
I mean, it looked like you did have the notch for the previous.
It opened up wrong. It opened up wrong. Because he had it open, people would have to walk around.
Oh.
Now you open it up, and people just come in. Oh.
So we do have to make a new notch.
This will be the inside.
Also, you do, if you put a new hinge, you have to notch it, or you can get away with
No,
it?
that's why I don't have to notch it.
Oh. Okay.
That's why I bought those hinges. Okay.
So what we are doing is we are reinforcing this screen door. Make sure the screen door doesn't fall apart on the neighbor. So as you can see, the neighbor is now this drilling technique doesn't allow the wood split on you, but most of you who is a wood crafting people would know this trick. So, but if you don't know this trick, this is amazing. Most wood crafting people should know this trick. I do suppose.
What? There must be a nail right there.
Or staple.
Maybe it's...
That must have been the staple then. Yeah, I must have used staple, now I think about it. Well, the nice thing is you shouldn't worry about the screen door falling apart on you.
Garbage out. Jeez. Good luck.
Might as well leave this pickle on.
Stickers on her. Can't get them off. So stupid.
You have to use like glue on.
Goo. Yeah.
Glue on if you want to remove the
Glue
stick
off.
on. Actually, the glue on smell orangey too, so you have to deal with that smell for a little bit.
Called goof off. That is called goof off.
That's what me and the neighbor will do, that reinforce this for a little bit. But I will record again if we do something a little bit different.
Okay, I think that's... Yeah. you're gonna have to hold that.
Oh, okay.
Barely. I see it.
You see it? Okay.
Luckily it didn't get on the ground. Okay. Now let's
Do the bottom. So loads, oddly enough, don't carry black hinges for whatever reason. So in our area, I don't know why load don't carry black one. I don't know what's up with Lowe's. For whatever reason, every time we nail wood, the nail like to go against the grain or away.
on the hard part.
If you wanna share your comment, your experience about wood that you screw. I don't know. Yeah, the issue is every time we screw something.
Something on YouTube.
Oh, about pine wood?
No.
Oh, matching stick, huh?
Well, hopefully it'll make a new hole. That's a little off still, so.
Well, you can release the screw slightly if you want to move it a little.
It's not too far off, but it's far enough. It might make the hinges a little bit squeaky. You know what?
take a shim under the frame, or under the screen.
Actually, I gotta know how far out I gotta make these hinges.
Okay, so we got the screen door in now. We got it trimmed. Had to use a table saw to trim one side and the top. So, and we did reinforce it, as you see in audio. So we put this gas cylinder, screwed it on. So kind of tricky to get on. So. But hey, it's working out just fine, so here is the screen door. So it was a pretty cheap screen door from the Lowe's too, so. And the neighbor. Let's see what he's up to. And as you can see, the table saw is out. And these are the 2 scrap pieces we trimmed the, excuse me, that we trimmed the screen door with, so as you can see. So that didn't take us too long to put that screen door up. Okay. Where are you, Max? Oh, is he in the backyard? He must be in the backyard, because I can't see him. Okay. Well, that's pretty much it.
Yep, I'm not gonna make a couple phone calls.
Alright.
Sure, Nora called. Danny, I was supposed to call her.
No. But as you can see, it didn't take us too long, so anyway. On to the next project, I guess, so I will pause the camera, and if there's a next project, I will be filming again. Another thing too is I mowed the lawn. So, if we look at the front, you can see the cuts. Should see the lawn line too. Should be pretty fresh, so as you can see. So that's what I did. So when I got here at the house, I mowed the lawn. Then we got started on this screen door. So that was 2 projects. It's not too bad, actually. Now the good thing is we have this roof. So, but if you go put your screen door in the weather, like this wooden one, these screen doors will fall apart if the weather beat on them. But when we have this roof on, this screen door should stay intact. Unlike the last one. The neighbor had a screen door before, but the other screen door was in the weather, so it fell apart on the neighbor. So, but now we got a new one, so should make the house look pretty nice. So, but like I said a while ago, I will record again on the next project. Alrighty there, people. So I'm gonna end the video being my little time marker sitting at 19 minutes. So, or 19 seconds, no, 19 minutes. So anyway, it's finally I got time to catch up with my editing. So anyway, so if you did enjoy the video, And if you want to check out other videos, the easiest way is going in my video notes. And in my video notes, I do have a link that will redirect you over to my video gallery. So that's the easiest way. But if you want to take the harder route, if you want to take a challenge, one of the challenge you could take is by click on my username. And once you click on my username, you will go to my little YouTube homepage. And once you land on my YouTube homepage, just click on the video tab and you should be landing on the video gallery basically. So, and if the video, if the vlog or the technology caught your interest, or if my video style caught your interest, feel free subscribing to my YouTube channel. And if you want to be up to date, just hit the bell icon. And once you hit the bell icon, you should be notified of any video I've uploaded. And feel free to follow me on the Google Plus page. So I do try my best to post stuff on my Google Plus page. Then give the video a like or dislike, whatever you feel like. Then the video notes, if you click on show me more, you will expand the video notes, and when you expand, there'll be email address or channel email address, channel channel email address. Like I said, all you go is then Amazon wish list, various projects I have. Then if you did support the Amazon, or if you did support my Amazon project, I will give you a shout out, whatever shout out you would like to have. So then community detective forms. So if you want to say hi, you can say hi if you want to sign up with one of those community detective forms. Then if you have any nice comment, or if you have any kind comment, post them below the video. And a little bit of a heads up, there's going to be plenty of vlog video I'm going to be spitting out on a regular basis for quite a bit. So the next project we're going to be on, or one of the project, I'm going to see what project we did. Oh, next project would be the brick patio. So that should be coming up in this week. So, but anyway, I will catch you next time. Okay, get this video clip and installed into my editing software, and later on I will let the laptop put the video together. So anyway, I will catch you next time.